A limited company is a distinct legal structure that separates your business finances from your personal assets. Think of it as creating a separate legal person that exists independently of the individuals who own it. This separation is the primary reason entrepreneurs choose this model. Your personal assets stay protected if the business faces debt. These companies are formal entities. They require specific registration, tax filings, and a higher level of record keeping than a sole trader. While a sole trader is the simplest way to start, a limited company offers more protection at the cost of administrative complexity. The administrative burden is significantly higher for a company because you must maintain formal accounts and annual filings with authorities. Always weigh the legal benefits against the time and money required to keep your company compliant with government regulations. Speak with a tax professional before choosing your business structure. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more finance basics.